Hello everyone, this is Eldana and I'm from Miracle Language and Mindset Academy. Today we have daily expressions for you, so be with us.
ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ማህደር ነኝ ከሚራክል ቋንቋ እንዲሁም የስነ አእምሮ ማሰልጠኛ ተቋም። ዛሬ ዴይሊ ኤክስፕሬሽኖችን ይዘንላችሁ መጥተናል። አብራችሁን ቆዩ።
The first one is lit, which means exciting.
የሚያጓጓ
Lit.
የሚያጓጓ
The second
That's lit. Yeah.
The second salty, which means upset.
የሚያበሳጭ
Salty.
የሚያበሳጭ
The third
Salty.
The third savage, which means angry way of speaking.
መልካም ያልሆነ ንግግር
Savage.
መልካም ያልሆነ ንግግር
Savage. Savage?
And the last one, FOMO, which means anxiety for exciting event.
ለሚያጓጓ ነገር መጨነቅ
FOMO.
ለሚያጓጓ ነገር መጨነቅ
FOMO?
YOLO, FOMO, TBT.
Ooh, you guys, I have FOMO. What?
Thank you for being with us.
ስላዳመጣችሁ እናመሰግናለን።